Hi, my name's Bob, and I'm on vacation, as evidenced by this drink in a coconut with a little paper umbrella. Suddenly, I had a vision. Well, with all these bills to pay, I guess it's time for me to get a haircut. And another job. Whoa! Looks like I'm ready to go.
Another job? What on earth are you talking about?
Well, I've had other jobs before. Jobs like these.
My first ship was the USS Joseph Strauss DDG-16, a guided missile destroyer armed with really cool weapons like rocket-propelled torpedoes and Standard missiles. I worked on the air search and surface search radars, assorted display gear, and was solely responsible for the TACAN. This ship later went on to sink the Iranian cruiser Sahand and was subsequently sold to the Greek Navy. Next it was off to an air station, which had lots of these. I worked on comm radios, TACANs, and overhauled 2 FPN-47 radars by myself. The air controllers gave me a letter of commendation, and instead of scrapping the radars when they were replaced, the Navy gave them to Iraq to protect their, well, you know. My final duty station was the Henry B. Wilson DDG-7, where I served as leading petty officer, and led the task of overhauling an ailing radar. In addition to the TACAN, I was also solely responsible for the IFF systems. This ship ended up like this. Don't forget, hire the vet.
Another job?
At ACTT, I designed circuits on demand, wrote programs in C and assembler, debugged projects near completion, and installed special controls for our building's HVAC systems. My projects ranged from rewriting software to building the world's loudest ultrasonic insect repeller. And yes, I'm familiar with PLCs, as I interfaced 2 custom-built 70-liter bioreactors to TI-505 PLCs for the Pelfreeze Biolab. I headed up the project's staff, demonstrating its feasibility, picking the hardware, and designing the interface circuits. The PLC provided a parallel word and trigger for a programmable motor controller, operated valves for heating, cooling, and gas injection. PID controllers worked perfectly to control temperature and pH, and a special dual-probe anti-foam circuit impressed everyone. At the Avionics Shop Incorporated, I worked on all the electronics from general aviation aircraft and helos, like radars, telemetry, and navigation.